What's up, guys? It's been a little while. It's me, Eric. I'm back, and I'm going to take you guys on a cruise with the Vegas Evos. So, strap in.
God, you see beauty where I see loss. Lucid dreaming, losing what you love. You're so enlightened that you forgot. All we need is someone else to hold. You found another place to float away, rising higher from the ground you claim. Wish that we could talk the same, yeah, about the things we love, about the things we love, about the things we about the things we love, about the things we love, about the things we about the things we love, things we love.
was pretty epic, guys. I mean, having a large group like that drive down the strip, if that doesn't inspire you to finish your builds, I don't know what would. But yeah, it was cool. Everybody was super chill, and I'm super grateful that nobody got pulled over and nobody got in a wreck. That's the biggest thing. So you got to worry about when doing these sort of things is you got to look out for each other, but then you also have to look out for other people that are out there that might be doing stupid things or trying to provoke you as a group. But everything went well. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you hit that like button and be sure to subscribe. There's going to be more content coming hopefully soon, and I hopefully won't be such a stranger on the channel. So alright, till next time, guys.
Wait, are you with the Evos?
Yeah,
Fuck, dude. Fuck!
we're just doing like a little cruise down the strip.
Yeah. I get you. What's Instagram?
Vegas Evos.
Okay, good.
Yep.
Yep. See, I told you. I know my fucking car. I fucking asshole.
Okay, no one was fucking.
I know my fucking car.
No one was questioning you. I fucking took the picture.
I said Subaru.
Is that a Subaru?
You said Evo Vegas.
Vegas Evos.